So the first basis of us changing your whole mindset around food, around how you eat, to develop that peace with food, a lot of it involves the lovely little thing that most of us have out in plain sight in our bathrooms, the scale. So I wanted to first and foremost, I want to make sure that you are ditching the scale. So some people like legitimately have to actually get it out of the house, because if they know it's there, they just, it's just, some people actually get addicted to it. It is actually one of those addictions that when you step on it and you see that lower number, it releases dopamine in your brain. So you get addicted to it, but then you step on it and then you see that higher number that you don't want to see, and then you are immediately frustrated and angry and depressed. So you don't want a little thing that essentially is just measuring the gravitational pull of the Earth's force on your body. That's all it is. Think of it like that. Okay, so don't think of the scale as anything except for literally just how strong the gravitational pull is on your body. That's all it is. It's not telling you anything. It's not measuring anything accurately. Okay, so we need to ditch that first. So if you need to actually get it out of your house, get it out of your house. If you need to get your spouse or somebody to hide it on you, then get them to do that. Or if you can just not get on the scale, don't get on the scale. If you already don't get on the scale, perfect. Continue that, okay? Because ultimately, we get very, very dependent on it. And I'm sure that you can relate to that feeling of stepping on there, not seeing the number you want to see, and it ruining your whole day. We've all been there, okay? So that is the first thing. And also, I want to mention again, I mentioned it in the introduction of this course, but patience is going to be key over this whole process. This is not a weight loss program that is guaranteeing you're going to lose X amount of pounds in a short amount of time. That's not what the goal is here. The goal is long-term, sustainable relationship with food where you aren't dieting. You aren't, frustrated with needing to track your calories or your macros or whatever. You literally are just eating to live, like our ancestors did before the apps that were tracking calories and whatever. And nobody was overweight. Strange. So that's what I wanted to touch on first. In the next module, we're going to dig a little bit deeper into why you may want to lose weight, because that is going to be a key factor.